Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Barnana data Choudhury kasamla nong jong shnong nakani nong ba shilong migelia kalayo ban phong yak pansingat haka Kyrdan Baar jongkarin san yokop Mission Dream Miss India 2022 kani karin san yokop Mission Dream Miss India 2022 kadai kebala pelong ha ikupa kebadon hanong ba Kolkata West Bengal haka arpulai terik unopra arjar puar Nalor ke jingjop haka Kyrdan ka Baar kasamla Barnana kala job ru yaka kusna Miss Elegant but Miss Beauty. Hadin kani jingjop ya kani kepansingat kani kasamla menta kala haban penkre yala di nakabenta ban aplim haka Tollywood but Sandalwood. Da kani jingjop kasamla Barnana kala ong bakadap da ke jingsong sarong ban mi khamat ya kejala magilia hakirin san yoko kibahe hakari India. Kumpan syupentip hang ni baka samla Barnana kapasyong basa haka sinong saulat shilong kadai kebala pelut por bahaya ladi haka fashion industry mentala news nam ganti bat yok khuru bon teliki khusnam
Hello everyone, I am Barnana Choudhury, born and brought up in Shillong. I love to spend time with my pets and I've done my schooling from Auxilium Convent. Then after did my high secondary from 7 Set. I have done my graduation from Bangalore University and that is all about me. I'm currently working in a media production company in Bangalore and I have been into the industry, fashion industry since 7 years. Recently I won a pageant which is called Mission Dreams Miss India and I won the first runners-up. Along with that I've won 2 subtitles which is Miss Elegant and Miss Beauty with a Purpose. So Mission Dreams is about giving a platform to all the people out there who has who wants to fulfill their dreams. These days in pageantry what happens is they look for a certain height, certain weight, but Mission Dreams is a platform which gives a stage for everyone. Unlike the other pageants, they have a certain criteria. So Mission Dreams is a platform for all, unlike the height, the weight, the skin tone, nothing matters. So yeah. I am doing a upcoming serial for Tollywood and an upcoming movie for Sandalwood. It's still on the way, still in the process. So let's see how it goes. I'm not being able to, say more about the project since it's very controversial. So I can't say anything about the project, but yeah, let's hope for the best. Yes, so my awareness, my Beauty with a Purpose project that I won is based on feminine hygiene and there are people who are under poverty and they can't take care of themselves and they can't really take care of their hygiene. So I took out funds from Keto. With the help of Keto, I've took out funds and we have helped around 200 kids, female kids, for their menstrual hygiene. So yeah, that's about my Beauty with a Cause project. The hardships, usually people has a lot of hardships. The challenge that I faced was more of, confidence. I lacked in confidence a lot. I was a very shy kid back then. I was very overweight. So I had to work on my body. I had to work out, stay fit. So the main challenge for me was to stay fit before this pageant. Yeah. For the auditions, we had, I was a virtual contestant back then for Mission Dreams as well. So once I won the virtual pageant, I got a direct entry for the main offline event. So for me, there was no such auditions. It was a direct entry since I was the winner of the virtual pageant. So it all started when I was 16 years old and I was watching Femina Miss India on TV. I was like, it sounded very interesting to me. I was like, it looks nice, it looks fascinating, the glamour and how people are very upfront with their thoughts. And pageants gives us a voice to have a voice for our opinions. So yeah, I was very fascinated and I started auditioning for Shillong Fashion Week. Then I got selected. I didn't know anything about it and I was like, how do I go about it? So I just auditioned. I remember I went with my sister and I was like, no, I think I didn't get through it because, everyone was so good. But maybe they've seen some potential in me and they selected me. After that, I happened to meet my mentor, which is Preeti Thapa. So she groomed me. She has nurtured me like her child. She has taught me every little thing. And then after I went on pageants in Manipur, I've been to Assam for pageants, I've been to Kolkata, and it went on. So I took a break for 2 years and then I focused on my studies and everything. And later after I thought I should make a comeback. So I made a comeback, I did the virtual pageant. And yes, now I'm here after the offline pageant is done, hopefully trying for an international pageant right now. Well, my biggest supporter and my biggest cheerleader has always been my mother since day one. Being born in a middle class family, it has always been difficult for girls to go and pursue their dreams, especially in industry like this, fashion industry. So yeah, my mother has always been upfront and has always been supportive towards my dreams. And yeah, she has always been there for me through thick and thin. She has always supported, and to be very honest, if I have her support, I do not care who supports me, who doesn't support me. So yeah, my biggest support system has always been my mother. So it has been a very long journey with a lot of ups and downs. If I participate in a pageant, I make sure that I do not rely on anybody. Mentally, physically, financially, I have always done things on my own. Yeah, the support of my mother's support has always been there. If she wasn't there, things would have been difficult, I agree. But yeah, the journey has been a roller coaster ride. I have faced a lot of criticism. I have faced a lot of failures. But I guess failures is something which gives you a step ahead to success. So yeah, my journey was great, and I've learned a lot. So the pageant Mission Dreams was organized by Priya Priyambada ma'am, and the co-founder of the pageant is Darwin Thapa. So from Northeast, I'm the only one who has participated, and the rest was taken from the other states. I represented the entire Northeast. The one message that I would like to give to the youth out there is, you guys are talented, you guys are precious, and you guys do not have any idea what you're capable of. We have a lot of talent in Shillong. So I want all the young youth to come out, be the voice for them, for their own self, and make their dream come true, because I've seen a lot of talents here and they are afraid somewhere to come out of their shell to face the world. So go step out of your comfort zone and live your dreams to the fullest. Just live your dreams to the fullest.